For 3 decades, Yi-Ning Hydrates has remained deeply committed to the field of hydraulic transmission. As manufacturing specialists, we excel in producing hydraulic motors, transmissions, and sleeving devices, winches, and complete hydraulic systems. Our R&D and manufacturing process seamlessly blend innovation with precision. Our products serve as the unsung heroes across diverse industries, from offshore engineering and shipping to construction, mining, petroleum, metallurgy, and ecological environmental protection. Yi-Ning's excellence knows no bounds, reaching global markets from the Americas, Europe, and Australia to India, South Korea, and Southeast Asia. Our solutions are driving impact and innovation worldwide. Choose Yi-Ning Hydrates' 30 years of professional expertise, paving the way for your success.